Welcome to this ClawPilot demo. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how simple it is to use ClawPilot as an online, OpenClaw-style AI agent system. Once you are inside the ClawPilot Cloud dashboard, you can see the AI CEO agent section on the left, along with team agents such as Content Writer, SEO Toolkit, Social Media, Funnel Builder, Email Marketing, AI Image and Video, AI Chatbot, Affiliate Tools, Local Business, and more. Now you start by just telling the CEO what you want to create. For this demo, I'm going to enter one full instruction. I want ClawPilot to launch a full marketing campaign for my new product. Inside this one instruction, I'm asking the CEO to create a landing page, email sequence, social posts, a video to promote the product, and also help me to capture leads. So instead of going tool by tool, I'm giving the CEO the full goal in one command. Now, I click Delegate and Execute. After that, the CEO starts analyzing the request and deciding which agents should handle each part of the campaign. The funnel builder is responsible for creating the landing page, the lead researcher handles the lead generation part, the email marketer prepares the email campaign, the social media manager creates social content, and the video producer works on the promotional video. Each agent reports back with its own progress and completed result. Here, the funnel builder has finished the landing page for my product. From here, I can review the result or open the live page. Now, let's take a look at the landing page. It includes the hero section, feature highlights, social proof, FAQ section, pricing area, and call to action. If you want to customize it, simply open the landing page editor, add any elements you want, or edit the current sections. Click the section you want to edit, and on the right side, you can edit the text, button, image URL, and other details. So even though ClawChannel creates the page automatically, you still have full control to customize it before publishing. Next, the lead generation result. ClawPilot has created a list of potential leads for this campaign, including names, industries, websites, emails, phone numbers, and notes about each prospect. Now, let's move to the email sequence. The email marketer has created a full email campaign for my product. You can review the email content, copy it, or download it as a markdown file. The sequence includes multiple emails with subject lines, preview text, email body, and a clear goal for each message. Next, ClawChannel also creates social media posts. Here, you can see multiple post variations written for the same campaign. Each post includes promotional copy, hashtags, and sharing options for platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This helps you quickly prepare content for different channels without writing everything one by one. Finally, the video producer also completes the promotional video task. ClawPilot wrote an engaging video script, generated visuals, scene timing, and subtitles, and combined everything to produce the video for you. You don't have to record, film, or write a single word, you just need to preview, download, or share the output video. So, from one single instruction, ClawPilot helps create the key marketing assets needed for a complete campaign: a landing page, a lead list, an email sequence, social media posts, and a promotional video. At the end, the team lead gives a summary of what the team has completed. This is the real power of ClawChannel. You do not need to keep prompting separate tools for every small task. You give the CEO one full instruction, and the AI agent team handles the workflow for you. What if you prefer to work on specific tasks one by one? Well, you can absolutely do that too. Inside ClawPilot, all 12 specialized agents are always available, so anytime you need to handle a specific task, you can jump in and use them individually. Let me quickly walk you through what each one can do. First, we have the AI Content Writer. Just choose the type of content you want, enter your topic and keywords, set the word count, tone, and language, and within seconds, you get a complete, high-quality blog post ready to use. Next is the SEO Specialist. This agent helps you research keywords, analyze your pages, optimize your content, and generate meta titles and descriptions so your content is built to rank from the start. Then we have the Social Media Manager. It creates ready-to-post content and lets you share directly to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and TikTok without switching tools. With the Funnel Builder, you can generate full pages in minutes, landing pages, sales pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, even checkout pages. Everything is created for you, but you still have full control to customize every section before going live. The Email Marketing Agent helps you write emails based on your goal and tone. More importantly, you can build full email sequences that are scheduled to send automatically so your promotion keeps running even when you are offline. Next is the AI Image Generator. Just describe what you need, and it creates graphics you can instantly use for your content, ads, or pages. And if you want video, the AI Video Creator takes it further. It writes your script, builds the scenes, generates voiceover, and puts everything together into a complete video in just a few minutes. You can also set up your own AI chatbot, train it with your business or product details, and it can handle customer support and sales conversations for you automatically. The affiliate tools help you track your links and monitor clicks, so you always know what is performing and where your traffic is coming from. With the Local Business Agent, you can manage client work more professionally. You can add clients, run audits, and manage review campaigns, making it easier to offer services and scale. And finally, you can set up a Telegram bot. This allows you to automatically reply to your customers on Telegram using AI, so you stay responsive without being online all the time. So, whether you want to run everything through the AI CEO or jump in and use each agent individually, ClawPilot gives you both options in one place.